Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk with Ben. I am Benjamin Bookkeeper, and today we're diving into a crucial topic that forms the foundation of your financial success. Creating a Budget 101. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your money management skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. The first step in achieving your financial goals is creating a budget. Think of it as your roadmap to financial success. A budget helps you track your income, set spending priorities, and save for your future. The first component of your budget is your income. Start by determining your monthly take-home pay. This includes your salary, any additional sources of income, or side hustles. Be sure to consider taxes and deductions. Write down all your income sources. This is the money you have to work with each month. Now, let's break down your expenses. Expenses can be divided into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses remain constant each month, like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. List your fixed expenses and their corresponding amounts. Variable expenses change from month to month and include things like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. These variable expenses might require a bit more estimation. Look at your past spending habits to get an idea of your average monthly costs. Now, let's do some math. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. The goal is to have a positive number. This means you're spending less than you earn. If your result is negative, it's time to reassess your spending and find areas to cut back. Creating a budget isn't about restriction, it's about conscious choices. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to make adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your needs. It's all about finding that balance that works for you. Now that you have your budget in place, it's essential to track your spending throughout the month. Your budget is a living document. Regularly track your spending to ensure you stay on course. There are many apps and tools available to make this process seamless. Do you prefer budgeting with pen and paper or using an app? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Input your expenses as they occur, and regularly review your budget to identify any necessary adjustments. Congratulations! You've just completed Budgeting 101. Remember, creating a budget is a powerful tool that puts you in control of your finances. Stay tuned for the following videos, where we will talk about different types of budgeting systems. I am sure there is one that is perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Until next time, and happy budgeting!